Once again, I thought I was recording and I wasn't, so I've already poured the white. I am making snow. It's supposed to be a snowy ground. So that's the first part. I need that to set up a bit, so I did stick blend it. Then I am bringing back this design in a different scent because it was really popular last year. And I didn't make a video, so I figured to make a video. But it's my mousse and tree, pine tree fir, and I'll embed them in there, and then I'll just do kind of like a blue swirl sky to create just a little scene. I am using Wild Cranberry Aspen from Brambleberry. I like this. It's got a sweetness to the pine, and since I'm not a huge pine person, this one actually appeals to me because it's got, like I said, sweetness in it. I'm doing a bunch of different pine scents, so there will be plenty. I've got pine, I've got cedar, I have, yeah, all sorts of different scents. So anyways, I need this to set up a bit more so I can put these in without them sinking, and then I will come back and we'll pour the sky. So this was the other mousse, and there is some major gelling going on because, oh my gosh, look at those glycerin rivers. They seem to be cursed with air gaps. Well, this one's levitating. The tree got pushed a little too much, and the mousse not quite enough. Relatively simple design. The center bars have more glycerin rivers than the end pieces. But man, look at that. I mean, it's almost translucent. I don't know. I think I was expecting something a little more. It's cute, but I think I was just expecting more. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Do you like it?